If you're a homeowner in Massachusetts, we serve most of the state of Massachusetts with the exception of the Berkshires Cape and Island. So as long as you're not in those territories, Endless Energy is here to support you. And so if you're somebody who has no heat, for example, or your heat's having a problem or cooling is having a problem, give us a call. If you've got a system that's anywhere over 10 years old and you're starting to think about, well, maybe it's time to replace it or what are my options? Again, good opportunity to give us a call. And certainly if you're thinking about switching over to a heat pump, we've been installing heat pumps for almost 14 years at this point. We know a thing or two about it and can talk to you about a good design for your home and also what options look like. And we'll make sure to present you with a range of options, range of designs that work perfectly for what your home needs and what works for your comfort. So if you fit any of those boxes, give us a call, 508-501-9990. Or visit us at www.goendlessenergy.com.
For all your